से आते ही क्यों मुझे भाभी के साथ मार्केट जाना पड़ रहा है. So to know that, keep watching. Hello my Insta family, welcome back to my new mini vlog. So basically some occasion are coming up in the next few days and भाभी needs a साड़ी for that.
मार्केट के दौरे
चालू हो गए. हाँ वही ना, अब से अब रेगुलर ऐसे ही लगा रहेगा. Right now we are heading to the market to find the perfect one for that occasion. So stay tuned. तो मैं और भाभी पहुंच गए गड़ोडिया. हाँ अब आते रहेंगे, लगा रहेगा. साड़ी देखना है. भाभी is so confused right now. She can't decide which one to pick and which one to skip. Shopping done. We found exactly we were looking for. After finishing the shopping, I went straight to Katrina Parlor for my eyebrows and upper lip laser treatment. That's it for today's vlog. Meet you in my next vlog. तब तक के लिए keep supporting us. Bye.